Learn mathematics at Bangsaen AI Studio and discover a world of possibilities. Mathematics is a fundamental tool that helps us understand the world around us. It's essential for careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, but it's also useful in everyday life. At Bangsaen AI Studio, we offer a personalized learning experience that is tailored to your individual needs. Our team of experienced and passionate educators will guide you on your mathematical journey, helping you develop a strong foundation in the subject. Our online one-on-one personalized learning environment allows you to learn at your own pace and from the comfort of your home. We believe in the importance of making mathematics relevant to real-world situations. Our curriculum is designed to help you apply mathematical concepts to solve problems in various fields. Our teachers are all PhDs in engineering, which means they have a deep understanding of how mathematics is used in the real world. We use the Gemini 2.0 or future version by Google, a powerful AI-powered learning platform, to deliver interactive and engaging lessons. Our platform offers a variety of features to enhance your learning experience, including: we also have a YouTube channel where you can watch assisted videos with animations that explain mathematical concepts in a clear and engaging way. Our assisted videos with animations make learning mathematics fun and easy. We understand that you have a busy schedule, so we offer flexible learning options. Learn at your own pace and on your own time. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone in between, Bangsaen AI Studio is the perfect place to learn mathematics. Why Bangsaen AI Studio is the best place to learn mathematics? Join the Bangsaen AI Studio community and experience the future of mathematics education.